Hello guys, welcome to our classroom. Today we will learn Raindrops for class 2. Action song. Ring the bell and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Ring the bell and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Wave your hand and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Wave your hand and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Stamp your feet and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Stamp your feet and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Turn around and clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Turn around and clap, clap, clap. Sing with me today. Let's try this. Can you think of some other action to accompany the song? कोई और एक्शन है जो आप क्लैप के अलावा कर सकते हो? ऐसे टैप टैप टैप. Underline the word that is used the most in the poem. पोएम में सबसे ज़्यादा वर्ड जो आया है उसे अंडरलाइन करो. क्लैप. Underline the sentence that is used at the end of every 3 lines. Sing with me today. लास्ट में आया है. Please subscribe my channel and motivate me to make more videos. Thank you. Watch this video repeatedly till you understand.